In this video, we'll be talking about how the schedules have been filtered to show only the right equipment. So the user manual talks about the parameter that's included with all the families. And if we look at a given schedule and we go to filter, we used this parameter schedule appear on as the filtering value for these families. So this allows us to separate out rooftop units with chilled and heating water coils in that schedule from rooftop units that maybe have package DX, or in the case of pumps, where we have domestic circulating pumps and hydronic circulating pumps. Well, each type essentially in the family can just have its own value here. So that value is found. Let's go look at the family. So that parameter is shown down in identity data. Let's collapse some of these. So as you can see, type property. Some families have it as type, some families don't. So let's go to right here, schedule appear on ERU. So that's how we're filtering the schedules. However, that is really just the equipment schedules. The design schedules filter off of a whole bunch of unique rules. We could look at a couple of those just for sake of discussion. So like the design fuel load summary, we are going to filter equipment based upon if the fuel load is greater than 0. So another schedule here, like fuel properties, we're filtering by if fuel heating value parameter exists and the equipment has a gas-fired heat exchanger. So that's one of the components found in all the families. And if we look at a component schedule, for example, like let's look at a cooling coil evaporator component schedule. So this is filtering by equipment has evaporator coil, and then also a schedule with components value has to equal yes in the family. And we'll talk more about these schedules in a little bit. So that is some of the filtering rules set up in the mechanical productivity package.